Hi, this is Dirk from B&B Auto Sales. We're going to start up our 86 Blazer here for you. Like I said, the exhaust is pretty loud, so it's by whatever you like, but solid running. You can hear it's got a little bit of cam to it, but we'll go through. Horn does not work there. You can see the radio working. Fan works. Blinker to the left works. Blinker to the right works. There you can see the fuel gauge a little over half. Wipers work. Power window on this side works. Power window on that side works. Power locks work on both sides. There you can see the rear window going out. So dome light works by turning it on, but not by the doors. Headers on it. Got the serpentine belt drive, MSD ignition. Just a strong runner. There you can see your headlights. Your tail lights. So, pretty cool Blazer. Got a tack also right there that works. Got any questions? Give me a call, 605-695-7391.